Hello everyone, today I am very much excited to have an exciting topic, one step at a time. Exactly. You have to take one step at a time. It is well said by Osho that nobody has the power to take two steps together. You can take only one step at a time. Whether it is a big goal or a small goal, it will start from a single step. For example, if you want to earn money online, then you don't have the power to earn directly. You have to go or you have to earn step by step. Firstly, you have to generate a skill. From that skill, you will be able to earn money online or offline. So for developing this skill, you have to learn from any mentor or any course. So you have to enroll this course. After that, you have to enhance your skill, and then only you will earn from it. So you have to go step by step. After that, you will achieve success in your life. So always focus on first step at a time or one step at a time. Don't think about staircase. Don't think about your goal. Firstly, you have to think about what step you have to take to achieve that goal. So just focus on your first step. What do you mean by first step at a time or one step at a time? One step at a time means that if you want to start a journey, then you have to be a courageful person, or you have to enhance your willpower. Only then you will focus on your journey. So there is also an advantage of taking one step at a time. If you take step by step, if you go step by step to achieve your goal, then you will get the time to know your surrounding, what is happening around your surroundings. And if you know what is happening in your surroundings, then there may be possibility to do little mistake. You will do little mistake. Due to this, you will achieve your goal more faster than anybody else. So always focus on your first step. Don't see the staircase. I think this video will help you a lot to take the first step towards your goal. Thanking you, and keep smiling.